Hello, welcome to Pidgin English School. It's been a while. Today, I want to talk about one popular music that I'm sure you've been hearing in the US by Wizkid and Tems, Essence. I'm sure you've heard the lyrics of that music that is all over the US and so many other countries. So I want to just break down some of the lyrics, actually a line in that song, all right? I'm sure you've heard this line before. Only you fit hold my body. Only you fit hold my body. So that sentence is a Pidgin English word. So I want to give you an understanding of what Tems was singing in that part. Only you fit hold my body. Now the phrase there that changes everything there is fit. Now fit is a Pidgin English. When you're speaking in Nigerian Pidgin English, the word fit means can, okay? I fit beat you means I can beat you. I fit slap you means I can slap you. So that's what she's trying to say here. Fit means can. So I fit chop food means I can eat food. I fit travel means I can travel. I know fit is like the opposite of saying I cannot or I can't. I know fit or I fit. So what she's saying in the song is when she said only you fit hold my body, only you can hold my body. That's what she's singing. Only you can hold my body. So that is what she's saying in the song, right? So if you want to learn a lot of other popular Nigerian Pidgin English words, phrases, and their meaning, I encourage you to go to pidginenglishschool.com.ng, where you can get the Amazon book, where you can get audio training, and you can get one-on-one coaching. All right, see you, and I hope to talk to you soon. Bye bye.